Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be riding the bikes around. We're going to be doing wheelies, building jumps, and more, so we hope you enjoy this video. Alright, now me and Ollie are headed down to the hall to make some jumps. Building the jump here for the deck right there. We're going to rip up from that way, hit off this, and then we'll have that nice little dip part to right there, so should be pretty good. We're going to keep on digging here.
All right, now we're done building it, so Ethan's gonna he's gonna test out the jump.
Alright, that was alright. I might need to clear a little bit more snow, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. Me and Oliver have left the hall now. We're gonna head down to some nice trails so we can ride. But look at this view. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to head down these trails. It's really nice and pretty down there, but first we're going to do some nice little donuts. We're going to head out down these trails. It's really nice and sunny, so
Yo, do you want to fly my drone here? It's like a perfect spot.
Did you like a video about doing a wheelie?
Yeah, it's like super open here.
of the trails though, so we're just gonna head off down the road and get out of here. So thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, keep it wild.